Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download HDO box onto your Firestick. So in here, you can see the first thing you need to do is get the downloader from the App Store here because HDO box is a third-party app and it's not available in the official one. No problem. Just download a downloader from here. Once you have that, and then we can start installing HDO box. On the downloader, scroll to apps and then click on it. And then tap on downloader from the app choice, the one that you just downloaded earlier. And then on the home tab, click on the search bar, this thing here. Just type in this hdo.app.tv and then click on go. From there, there is a note here, firesticktricks.com does not own the HDO box and is not associated with its developer. So you're downloading this from an external source. So it's like this, you type it in and then you press go. And now you just need to wait for the app to download. It's only 33 megabyte, so it shouldn't take that long. And then click on install right here. And then after that, you're done. You can delete the APK if you want, but honestly, it's not really that necessary. If you just want to keep it on your Fire Stick, it won't cause any problem. But if you want to delete it, it can make all the things a lot more neater.